Hi everyone and welcome to Finnish Plate. Continuing on a series of comfort food, or maybe these are dishes that you could find in cafeterias or lunch buffets throughout Finland. Here we have mashed potatoes and a hot dog casserole, which is pretty familiar for most Finns. They've had it at some point in their lives for sure. It's a favorite of children, and why not for the adults too? It's very easy to make. It's quick weekday lunch or dinner. So join me and I'll show you how to make this Finnish mashed potato and hot dog casserole. So this is going to be Finnish comfort food at its best. But just because it's comfort food doesn't mean that you can't take a couple extra steps ensuring your ingredients are great and therefore your end dish won't be just anything short of awesome. So I have here some 4 very nice hot dogs. So I'm just gonna cut these into slices. Actually, I'm gonna turn on my heat first so my pan can get hot. And I'll just cut these up. And then I'm gonna fry them just quickly on the pan so they can get a little bit of color. Let's add a bit of oil. And we're gonna put the slices, the hot dog slices, on the pan and just fry them up a little. So while my hot dogs are frying over here, I'm just gonna peel a potato. I'm using these big starchy potatoes. They're known as, sometimes called baking potatoes. These are going to make really nice mashed potatoes because they're so starchy. And I'll just cut these into a couple of pieces so they'll cook quicker. Put them in my pot over here. I'm going to fill this up with water. So use a minimal amount of water here, just however much you need just to cover them basically. Oh, and a little bit of salt. Okay, now my hot dogs have been fried, so I'm just gonna switch over my potatoes. And I'm gonna cook these potatoes until they're done. All right, the potatoes have now been boiled soft. I'm gonna use my potato ricer just to mash them in. Whoa. They're breaking apart, which is fine. Of course, we're making mashed potatoes anyway. There we go. So now I'm going to add about 2 ounces of melted butter. The best results you get is if you use 1 part potato and 1 part butter. It will come out so nice. But since this is a weekday dish, I'm gonna maybe use a little bit less butter. And I'll also add a little bit of whole milk because this is gonna go in the oven for a little bit, so it'll still dry out a little bit in the oven. So the mashed potatoes can be pretty loose. I'm gonna use equal amounts of butter and milk. There we go, our mashed potatoes is starting to be ready. Now I'm gonna grate in some Parmesan cheese. Good amount. Mix everything together. I'm also gonna add an egg, but before I add an egg, I'm actually gonna test this just to make sure the salt is good, because once I add the egg, I cannot taste it anymore. So let's taste salt. I think you could use a little bit of salt, a little bit of white pepper. So I'll just sprinkle on some salt and some white pepper. There we go. And now I'll mix in the egg. And of course, our hot dogs. Mix these in as well. And let's shake it just to even it out. And I'll grate some more Parmesan cheese on top. And this is going to go in the oven. I have the oven set for 400 Fahrenheit, about 200 Celsius. It's going to cook until it gets a little bit of color. So I would say that's about 20 minutes. All right, let's try it out. Pretty excited to try this. Okay, yeah, the potatoes definitely, they firmed up quite a bit. It was a little bit loose when I started with it, but I think that's fine. It's perfectly fine. Okay, I think I'll serve this with some pickles. I think pickles will cut through great through the richness of the mashed potatoes and everything else. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. The creaminess of the potatoes, the saltiness of the hot dogs, they just complement each other so well. I could definitely eat a whole bowl of this. This is such a simple, satisfying meal. I'm actually not positive if people usually have this with any kind of condiments, maybe ketchup, mustard, things like that. Maybe some relish. Actually, I think I do have a perfect relish for this. I have some mustard relish here. I think this will go just great with the dish. Let's have some mustard relish. So let me know in the comments, do you have a dish like this in your neck of the woods? It's pretty basic, it's pretty obvious even. Mashed potatoes and some sausage, really. Do you serve it with any kind of condiments? What are those condiments? As always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.